Are you looking for the best car detailing kit? In this video, we will break down the top 5 car detailing kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Armor All Car Wash and Cleaner. This car kit combines their most reliable and powerful car cleaners into one small, comprehensive, easy-to-use auto detailing kit. This all-complete car kit includes a 10-ounce bottle of Armor All Original Protectant and a 16-ounce bottle of a car wash. To ensure the complete removal of all dirt, dust, and grime from all of your car's interior and exterior surfaces. You also get a 20-ounce bottle of foam tire protectant because no car detailing is complete without shiny black tires and spotless wheels, and 25 glass wipes for a spotless view. This kit accomplishes less with more. This car detailing kit, however, would be more suited to keeping up the appearance of an already clean car rather than a hard-hitting mix of tools to clean up any old thing. At number 2. Meguiar's Ultimate Car Care Kit. This kit contains everything you need for cleaning, polishing, and waxing the paint of your car, as well as cleaning other parts, like the wheels, tires, and interior. Its features includes high-quality microfiber towels, a wash mitt, a foam applicator, and a water magnet drying towel that is fantastic at removing water spots. The Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer can make the black plastic, vinyl, and rubber trims appear as new again after the treatment. A well-polished paint is nothing with plastic and rubber parts that look grayish and faded. The Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer keeps plastic and rubber fresh, high-quality cleaners throughout, high-quality mitt, microfiber towels, and water spot magnet drying towel. At number 3. Chemical Guys Hole 401. This is a complete waterless detailing system that cleans, shines, and protects any vehicle. It is formulated using a unique eco-based natural carnauba to emulsify and lift dirt away from the surface. It is perfect for washing your car anywhere, anytime. Safely remove dirt and grime from any exterior surface including paintwork, wheels, bumpers, and much more. It uses advanced waterless detailing technology that makes washing your vehicle quick and easy. Basically, you add a small amount of the cleaning product to the atomizer spray. You then water it down and then spray the car. Also, the product is diluted really extends its lifespan, meaning this 16 ounces bottle makes up to 2 gallons of cleaning fluid. It also means you don't need a hose pipe, pressure washer, or even a single bucket of water. At number 4. AUTODECO Microfibre Car Wash. This 25-piece cleaning set comes with everything you need to scrub and shine your vehicle. The glass cleaner prevents scratches to the surface, while the tire brush offers ideal protection against caked-on grime. Everything comes inside a handy box, preventing the risk of losing parts of the kit. The box can hold your cleaning solution, meaning you don't have to seek out a bucket to get started. It can handle as much as 4 liters of fluid and is resistant to damage from chemicals. Also, the kit includes tablets that you can dissolve as a cleaner. Best when used in lukewarm water, the cleaning fluid efficiently gets through all kinds of messes without leaving scratches or streaks. Keep in mind that while this kit includes some chemical tablets, they may be insufficient for cleaning larger cars. To remedy this, dilute them less and use the concentrated cleaner on the dirtiest spots before watering it down further. The car cleaning tools are made from fine material to be soft, sturdy, and durable. The box can hold water, a piece of solid detergent can dissolve 4 liters of water, can meet car washing anywhere. At number 5. Chemical Guys Buff 209X. This kit includes everything you will need to maintain your car showroom clean. Whether it is dust, fade, scratches, or holograms, this kit offers an easy way to restore your car's day one sparkle without having to pay heavily for the services of a professional detailer. The included Torx dual action polisher delivers an outstanding performance so that you get excellent results in every car detailing project. It has a gentle action movement that restores the shine on your car. Also, it boasts a reliable heat management function that eliminates the possibility of burning your buffer pads. The size and the shape play a pivotal role in maximizing leverage so that the user gets good results with minimal time and effort. The kit also contains a set of buffing pads, a backing plate, 2 premium microfiber towels, polishing pad cleaner and conditioner, and other many extras you need to face any detailing work with confidence. The 5-inch hook and loop backing plate can work with any 5.5-inch buffing pads. The backing plate provides an easy way to change the buffing pads. This saves time and improves results by allowing you to use the perfect buffing pad for the job.